My name is Lloyd B Smith and I'm the People's National Party's candidate for the new constituency of St. James Central. This constituency has many challenges, among them poverty, poor infrastructure, lack of jobs for the young people in particular, and a general level of abject poverty that pervades the area. It is my intention, if I'm elected as the candidate for that constituency, to focus on education and training, improvement of the infrastructure in such depressed areas as Canterbury and the North Gully area. In addition to that, the Cornwall Courts community has a tremendous challenge with respect to the poor conditions, indeed the very poor conditions of the roads in that area leading to Green Pond, Farm Heights and beyond. I intend to ensure that over a period of time this particularly vexing matter will be addressed. Most of downtown Montego Bay also falls into the constituency of St. James Central, and it is my intention to have the tourism capital beginning to reflect what a tourism capital ought to look like. It ought to reflect beauty, it ought to reflect cleanliness. I intend also to develop a very thriving cultural arts industry which will see the use of the Civic Center in Sam Sharp Square becoming a fully fledged cultural arts center, including of a museum and a theater. This, I believe, will help to create a greater level of civic awareness and civic pride among the general citizenry. There's also the challenge of street vending which needs to be addressed. These persons who vend on the streets are seeking an honest livelihood, and I do believe that the time has come when specific and innovative efforts should be made to deal with this perennial problem. The Montego Bay Craft Market, which is an essential aspect to the tourism industry, has been neglected, and the vendors there have been suffering tremendously from a lack of business. It is my intention to bring back the tourists into downtown Montego Bay. I do believe that it can be done. These are but some of the areas of constructive, innovative plans and projects that I have, which be included in course in my constituency development plan, which will be unveiled before the election.